Firstly, turn on the emergency button, then turn on the power button. Set temperature. Set counting system. Turn on the paper detection on. When the sensor detects that there is no paper in the startup state, it will stop automatically. No paper and then run off. Blow detection off button. When the blow sensor detects that the paper is transmitted to the heating molding site, the blow port will blow. Adjust the speed of conveyor system. The start button. The pause button. The jog button.